Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on Pythagoras and trigonometry, question number 6 with me, Mr. Barton. Now this is a classic combination of skills question here and it's worth 6 marks, so let's make sure we get them. The diagram shows a cross section of the roof of a building with base BCD being horizontal and AC representing a vertical support. Calculate the size of the angle that the roof AD makes with the horizontal. Well, let's make sure we know what angle we're after here. That the roof AD makes with the horizontal. So it's going to be this angle down here. That's going to be our ultimate aim to get to there. Now, what do we need to get to there? Well, we've got a side of this right angle triangle. And because that's vertical, I can mark that on as a right angle. We've got a side. If we get another side, we've got two sides and we can work out an angle. So, if we can get this side here, AC, we're laughing. Well, good news is we can get this side because on the other side of this roof, we've got two sides and we're missing a third side of our right angle triangle there. So a bit of Pythagoras will sort it out. And the final thing you've just got to check is it an addition Pythagoras or a subtraction? Well, you've got the hypotenuse, so to find a shorter side, it's going to be a subtraction. So I'm going to go into my routine to work out AC. Square it, subtract it, square root it. So 8.2, square it. 6.3, square it. Subtract it, square root it. Done. Let's reach for our calculator. So I've got 8.2, square it. Take away 6.3, square it. Press equals. Going to press my SD button to get it looking a bit nicer. 27.55. Got to remember to square root it. Square root my answer. What am I getting there? 5.2488. Mark it on. 5.2488. Does it look about right? Well, it's shorter than my hypotenuse, so that's good enough for me. And now we switch to this triangle here. We've got two sides and we need to work out a missing angle. I'm going to call that missing angle, go for X, something unoriginal like that. So I have got a hypotenuse, I have got opposite the angle, an O, and I have got an adjacent here. Tick what I've got. Well, I've got my adjacent, and I've also now got my opposite. So I've got O and A. Which one's that out of my soccer toa? Well, if you know your stuff, that is toa. Tan. So I'm going to draw my triangle. Tan theta. I've got an opposite and I've got an adjacent. Draw around them, put my little times in. So I'm going to get my thumb and cover up what I'm trying to work out. So cover up my angle. That's what I'm asked to work out. So just cover that up. And it tells me to do O divided by A. Tan theta equals O divided by A. Let me write that down. Tan theta, remember your brackets, equals O divided by A. Perfect, so let's fill it in. Tan, instead of theta, I'm going to write X, that's what I've called it, equals O, which is my opposite, that's the thing I just worked out, can you see that? 5.2488 divided by my adjacent, which is 10.6. And I'm not going to bang that in my calculator yet, so I'm going to do it all in one go. If I want to know what X is, I've got to get rid of that tan theta from this side of the equation. So I'm going to do the inverse. Tan to the minus 1, inverse tan. I've got to do tan to the minus 1 of both sides. So I've got to remember to do it to my right hand side as well. 5.2488 divided by 10.6, close my brackets. Now on the calculator, that's just shift tan. So let's make sure we bang this in properly. Here we go. So I'm going to do shift tan. That's got me tan to the minus 1. Good start. 5.2488 divided by 10.6. Remember to close my brackets. Press equals. And I get 26.343 degrees. Done.